and this is going to be the third video in this series. I've gone through basic info, events, payments, and registrations, and now what we want to do is talk about the giveaway tab, which is usually going to be t-shirt. Again, up at the top it's going to give you the option to modify all the events at once. If you know how to do it, that's awesome, but since this is kind of a beginner's video, I'm going to kind of just do them each so that it's kind of repetitive, so that you see it a few times so you kind of know what I'm talking about. So 5K run, let's say you have t-shirts and you want to make sure that people who sign up online get them. Basically you just want to hit the yes button, t-shirt, obvious, and then cutoff date. Let's say you have a t-shirt place that needs the information a week out. So again, I put this test event as 0207. I'm going to say that the cutoff t-shirt date is going to be a week ahead of that. So then what this does is anybody who signs up after this date no longer has the option to put in a t-shirt. That's going to save you hassle, and that's going to kind of push people to sign up ahead of time. That's hopefully the goal. And then what you want to do is, if you have a picture of your t-shirt logo, you can put that here in this browse button. And then what you want to do is add giveaway option. So let's just put a few of these down. And what I always recommend, if you have a t-shirt company that can do it, is allow all options. So let's say you have use small, use medium, and so on, all the way down. And what I love about this is that you don't just have to use the generic t-shirt sizes. You don't just have to do adult small to XL. You can type in anything that you want to. So let's say you have, I'll show it down in the next section. Let's do that. Let's just finish this one now. So again, this is basically all the t-shirt sizes. And what I also like about this is, you, as race directors, you know that the XX and XXX, they cost a little bit extra. So what you can do is add a little bit of cost so that you don't lose out. So let's say a XX adds $2 to the cost. You can simply put $2 here, and you can put $3 here for XXX. Again, that's going to give everybody all the options, not leaving anybody out. And if you can find a t-shirt place, which I recommend, if you're in the Huntington area, Graphic Solutions, they do an awesome job. They can do this for you guys. So again, this is how you kind of do that. And this is just with the 5K run. I'm going to kind of show a little bit different with each event. But in general, what you want to do is have the same t-shirt sizes for all the events. So 5K walk, again, you want to have the cutoff date. If you have a t-shirt image of the logo, you can put it here in the browse button, and you want to do add giveaway option. So again, let's do something different this time. Let's say you have tech shirts available. You can put tech small so people know about it. That could be $10. Tech medium, you can make them pay an extra $10. Boom. Not really too. That was just kind of an example of tech t-shirts. And the Kids Fun Run, again, you can have it so that they can get t-shirts as well. 01/31/2015 image here. And then if you just want to give them just basic little options, let's say you limit it to ages 1 to 10, and you don't want to give them all the options, you can give them youth small, youth medium, youth large, and then adult small, and then you can just give them those options if you want to do that. That's an idea. But let's go back up to this tech t-shirt thing that I was kind of going with, just to kind of show you about these extra prices. Actually, let's do it here, because this is going to be the main bulk that you get on all the events listed. But let's say, I'm just going to continue on. We can put tech small here. I mean, you have so many, you can put in as many as you want. Just to allow people to have the option. And like I said, Graphic Solutions can do t-shirt sizes t-shirts, I should say, as well as 50/50, anything else that you would like. But again, you have all the options: youth, adult, and then tech. But let's say your event is something, I don't know, let's say you have 2 color options. I've seen this. So up the top, you can put youth small. Let's say you have a t-shirt that's blue. You can just put blue beside of it, and you can do that all the way down. I'm not going to do it now. And then let's say you have a red t-shirt as well as an option. You can put adult, small, and then red. I mean, it's that easy. You can put anything that you want to under this giveaway option. You have a jacket that you want to give out. You can make a jacket $30. If you have a wristband that you'd like to give out, wristband $2. It's that easy. You can put anything you want to in this, and this is how you basically do t-shirts. Like I said, in most races, all of the options will be available in all the events. So 5K run's going to have the same options as the 5K walk. So when that's the case, you will want to hit this modify multiple, and it's easy to follow. You just want to hit select all, and then do the exact same thing. It's just going to be in one thing, and it's going to copy to all the events. So yes, they do get a giveaway item. It's going to be a t-shirt. I set my cutoff date to 01/31/2015. Again, if you have an image, you can do that, and then you can fill in your options. I'm just going to put miscellaneous things just to show you. And then you want to hit copy to events, and what that does, it's going to do all of those options into each event. So 5K run, it's going to have the options that I just typed in. 5K walk is going to have all the options that I just typed in, and the kids fun run is also going to do it. And that's basically how you do t-shirts on RunSignUp. It's very easy to follow, no complaints on that, and it's also easy to, once we finish, you can go into a race, I'm going to say, I don't know what I'm going to say, event page, and you can go in and determine how many sizes that you need to send to the t-shirt place. Let's just say that. So I'm going to finish this video now, because this is going to have these next 2 tabs will have a lot, and then I will have a video kind of going through that event page and a few cool little things that I find to be awesome that we can add to your event by using this site. So this is going to conclude this video. I hope you guys have been enjoying these, and hopefully you've been finding them useful.